This recipe is to aid with microdemia and weight loss. 1/4 cup of mangoes. 1/4 cup of blueberries. Everybody knows blueberries are great antioxidants. I didn't have any coconut water, but we're using some rice milk. Used about 5 carrots, cut them in half, and a pinch of black pepper, and about 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. This helps get into the bloodstream and please check out Dr. Debbie Williams' channel. She's got great antioxidant drinks for heart healthy lifestyle.
Is it good? I don't want it. It's too much carrot.
Mango and carrot and cinnamon are so good. It's so good.
I don't really like carrot.
It's good for inflammation, Blake.